One of the nice things about using EBSCO databases is you can actually search multiple EBSCO resources using just one search. One of the ways that you'll know what databases we have that are EBSCO is by searching under all vendors and selecting EBSCO. You'll see that we have roughly 60 resources specifically. And if you just search into one of these, and I'm going to go with Academic Search Complete as my default because it is one of the largest and it's the most generic of the group. So it mostly has general packages. It's not necessarily subject specific. And here we'll go into choose databases. So if I click on choose databases, it's going to show me that list of 60 some databases from that original list that I saw. And this is how I would select additional databases to search in. So if I'm doing maybe an education specific topic, then I can go through and actually select additional education resources. Maybe I'm also doing library science and education, so I might also select the library science. And then I can say OK. And now instead of just searching Academic Search Complete, if I click this Show All, it's going to list all the additional databases that I am searching in. So this way, instead of going through and opening up each of these databases individually as a separate database tab, I can search them all in the same package. You want to use caution when doing this. You don't want to go through and choose every single database in this list because all of them do certain things. They might have a different thesaurus or a dictionary option, and so it can prevent them from loading correctly if you do every single one of them. So you want to be intentional about the ones that you select, but this is still a nice way of being able to search a large variety of packages all at once.